Do you ever feel that afternoon slump where all you want is another cup of coffee, but you know the jitters and the inevitable crash are just around the corner? What if I told you there's a vibrant green alternative that can give you a calm, focused energy boost without the downside? Today, we're diving deep into the world of matcha. So, what exactly is matcha? It's not just any old green tea. Matcha is a finely ground powder of specially grown and processed green tea leaves, traditionally used in Japanese tea ceremonies. But its popularity has exploded worldwide, and for good reason. Unlike regular green tea, where you steep the leaves and then discard them, with matcha, you're consuming the entire leaf. This means you get a much more concentrated dose of all the amazing nutrients and antioxidants. Let's talk about those benefits. First up is the unique energy boost. Matcha contains caffeine, but it also has a powerful amino acid called L-theanine. This magical combination gives you a state of calm alertness. The L-theanine slows the release of caffeine into your bloodstream, providing sustained energy for hours without the jitters or the crash you get from coffee. It's perfect for staying productive and focused, whether you're studying for an exam or powering through a busy workday. Next, matcha is an antioxidant powerhouse. It's packed with catechins, particularly one called EGCG, which is famous for its potential health benefits. These antioxidants help fight off free radicals in your body, which are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Think of it as your body's personal cleanup crew, keeping everything in top shape. Matcha can also give your brain a serious boost. The L-theanine doesn't just promote relaxation. It also helps increase alpha wave activity in the brain. This is the brainwave state associated with a relaxed, yet alert, state of mind similar to what you might experience during meditation. Studies have shown that matcha can improve attention, memory, and reaction time. So, that morning matcha latte isn't just tasty. It's literally food for thought. But how is this incredible green powder even made? The process is fascinating and requires meticulous care. It all starts about 20 to 30 days before the tea leaves are harvested. The tea plants are covered to shade them from direct sunlight. This is a crucial step. The lack of sun causes the plants to produce more chlorophyll, which gives the leaves their brilliant emerald green color. And it also boosts the production of amino acids like L-theanine. Once the finest, youngest leaves are handpicked, they are quickly steamed to stop the oxidation process. This preserves their vibrant color and locks in all the nutrients. After steaming, the leaves are carefully dried. Then comes the destemming and deveining process. Only the most tender parts of the leaf, known as tencha, are kept. Finally, this tencha is slowly stone ground into an incredibly fine powder. We're talking powder so fine it's like talc. This traditional stone grinding method is slow and deliberate to avoid overheating the leaves, which would damage the delicate flavor and aroma. It can take up to an hour to grind just 30 grams of matcha. This careful artisanal process is what makes high-quality matcha so special and a little bit pricier than other teas. Now, you might be wondering how you even prepare it. The traditional way involves a bamboo whisk called a chasen. You sift a teaspoon or two of matcha powder into a bowl to get rid of any clumps. Add a little hot, but not boiling, water, and then whisk vigorously in a zigzag motion until it's smooth and frothy. You can drink it straight like this or use it as a base for lattes, smoothies, or even in baking. There are different grades of matcha too. Ceremonial grade is the highest quality, made from the youngest tea leaves, and is best enjoyed on its own with just water. It has a smooth, delicate, and slightly sweet flavor. Culinary grade is more robust and slightly more bitter, which makes it perfect for mixing into lattes, smoothies, or for baking things like matcha cookies and cakes. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and load up on antioxidants, matcha might just be your new best friend. It's more than just a trendy drink. It's a centuries-old tradition packed with incredible benefits for your mind and body. Give it a try and see how this vibrant green powder can transform your daily routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Let me know in the comments if you're a matcha lover or if you're planning to try it for the first time. See you next time.